Welcome to Motor Insight. Get ready for an in-depth look at the 2025 Honda Rebel 500. This mid-sized cruiser brings together style, performance, and practicality for an unforgettable riding experience. Let's dive into what makes this bike stand out. Design and styling. The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 continues its legacy with a minimalist yet aggressive cruiser design. A low-slung stance, round LED headlight, and clean lines give it a modern yet timeless appeal. The teardrop fuel tank and blacked-out components add to its bold character. New for 2025, Honda offers fresh color options and minor refinements to the bodywork, enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. Performance and ride quality. Powered by a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the Rebel 500 delivers smooth, responsive power. Its refined fuel injection system ensures strong low-end torque, making it ideal for city rides and highway cruising. The 6-speed transmission shifts smoothly, offering a balanced mix of efficiency and performance. With a lightweight frame, low seat height, and well-tuned suspension, the Rebel 500 provides excellent handling and comfort for both new and experienced riders. Technology and safety features. The digital instrument cluster offers clear and concise information, including speed, gear position, and fuel level. LED lighting all around enhances visibility, while optional rider aids like traction control improve safety in various conditions. Equipped with a front and rear disc brake setup, along with optional ABS, the Rebel 500 ensures confident stopping power. Honda has fine-tuned the ABS system to provide even better modulation, preventing wheel lockups in emergency situations. Comfort and practicality. The relaxed riding position, comfortable seat, and forward-set foot pegs make long rides enjoyable. The handlebars are positioned for easy reach, reducing strain on the rider's arms. With a 3-gallon fuel tank and impressive fuel efficiency, the Rebel 500 is a practical choice for daily commuting and weekend getaways. The 2025 model introduces a slightly thicker seat cushion, improving rider comfort for extended journeys. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 remains a top contender in the cruiser segment. With its blend of style, performance, and practicality, it's an excellent choice for new and experienced riders alike. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish cruiser with modern features, the Rebel 500 is worth considering. Its refinements for 2025 make it an even better option for riders who value comfort, efficiency, and customization potential.